Let's get started with this makeup tutorial. We get started with foundation, obsess, I'm in love. Let's get started with another concealer, super important. You know what I did right there? I clenched my teeth. I'm super passionate about curling my eyelashes. I get started with a lip, and I don't know why I'm laughing, but I'm in the mood and I need to get started, especially because it's early in the morning. I have to go to work really quickly. Do my eyeshadow. This is an incredible eyeshadow palette from Makeup by Mario, one of my favorites, if not my favorite. I just go in, I try to do as fast as I can. I go with the Milani concealer. This is such a good concealer that is affordable. Go in with the Rare Beauty contour stick, and I just go in and I blend. I try to blend as much as I can. Use that Rare Beauty powder again. I always use it just because it's not too white like most loose powders. Also go in with my mascara, and I'm making some weird faces right here. So obviously I have to put in some Milani bronzer. It's one of my favorite, and of course you cannot go wrong with the blush. Right now I'm going to give you a little tutorial on curly hair, especially because right now it's very early in the morning and I don't have time to use a blow dryer or use my strainer because we really don't have the time. So we're gonna put some mousse, we're gonna put some leave-in conditioner, and obviously some gel right after I do all of this. Obviously it's not seen on the video, but there's a couple of products that you have to use in order to have that care. I know it is very expensive having curly hair, and a lot of people don't understand the hardness or the hardship that we go through because it does take a while. Look at me. It looks like I'm going really fast, which I am going really fast, but it's not going to look as beautiful as if I took my time. But you know what? We don't have the time. I woke up really, really late, so I just go with the flow. And right now I try my best to look decent, especially because when I get ready and I look good, the day is going to be better. If I am not happy, I'm not going to feel well. So, let's get it.